In this video, you will see how to draw double line in Word document. It's very easy. As you can see, there are three types of double lines available in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. To insert double line in Microsoft Word, go up to the Insert option. You will see the option Shapes. Click on the drop-down menu to open the shapes. Under the line, select the first option, Line. Now press Shift on your keyboard to draw a straight horizontal line. Now we will convert this horizontal line to double line. Right click on the line, go to the Format Shapes option, and you will see this option Line. Click on the menu to open the options. Change the color of the line from blue to black. Under the width, you can specify the thickness of the line. I am selecting here 5 points. And under the compound type, we can make this single line to double line. Click on the drop down menu and you will see three options here. Double line. You can select any style as per your requirement. Now you can select the line and move it freely anywhere inside the Word document, and if you want to resize the line, press Shift on your keyboard and then you can drag the end of the line anywhere inside the Word document to resize the line. You can also rotate the line like this as per your requirement and place it anywhere and resize it according to the need. Now check out this video that will show you how to draw dotted line in Microsoft Word. If you like this video, like the video and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe.